The Great Iora is lively and agile by nature, often moving about alone, measuring about 16 centimeters in length. It stands out with its bright golden yellow cheeks and underparts. Its back and tail are mainly olive yellow-green, and its slender bill is blackish gray. With such vivid colors, it is one of the most adorable small birds in the forest. The Great Iora is mainly distributed across the Indo-Chinese peninsula and in parts of China such as Yunnan, where it inhabits low shrubs and bamboo groves, feeding on insects and fruits. In 2012, it was listed in the IUCN Red list of threatened species.